Hey guys, I'm going to try the spicy chicken bacon pretzel pub burger. I think that's, or I just said a whole bunch of what I read. Yeah, it never looks as good, does it, as the picture. Let's see here. Well, the spice is definitely in the chicken, but no added spice. That is good. That is really good. Try it out. Oh, there it is. The spice kicking in just a little more. Just a little bit. Huh. That ain't bad. But yeah, it's got bacon, pickles, onion. Oh, what would you call these? Crispy onions, whatever. And Munster cheese. Oh, I'm a little upset that it's only on the chicken. I usually like a good sauce, but and I haven't had Wendy's in a long time, so this is good. Should I show their logo? See, it's Wendy's. I promise. Well, anyway, hope you enjoyed.